Okay, going to do a quick review on Imusa Neoprene mini oven mitt. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's pretty dirty when you wash it. It's pretty small. To be honest with you, it's pretty small. If you got big hands, you probably would have problems with this. My roommate, he had big hands, and he has problems using it. I mean, it fits him now. And he's got like a little mouth here, kind of cute. It's pretty good when you're baking and cooking. You get stuff out of the oven that you're cooking. You don't want to burn your hands. Like I said, it's pretty small for somebody that's got big hands. I mean, I got small hands. Like I said, my roommate's got bigger hands than mine, and I mean, it fits mine pretty fair. Bigger hands, you'd have problems with it. Might as well use it more like a pot holder, get something out if you got big hands. It says you have to, it has to be hand washed. You can't throw it in the washer and dryer. And the size is 5.5 inch by 6.5 inch. 100% cotton, 100% neoprene, and filling's polyester. It's cute. It's a cute little oven mitt. Like I said, when you're baking stuff, and cooking, you don't want to burn your hands. Get dealing with the cookware that you're using. And you have to hand wash it. Okay, it's called Imusa Neoprene mini oven mitt. My roommate bought this, so I'm not sure where she got it at. But yeah, probably either at Walmart or Target. She's did some shopping in both stores recently. I'm not sure which one she got it at.